In a world where crypto blends freedom with opportunity, welcome to KCEX, a powerful cryptocurrency exchange, where you can trade instantly without mandatory verification and unlock up to $100 in welcome bonuses. KCEX is designed for both beginners and experienced traders, offering a wide range of trading pairs, deep liquidity, and advanced tools to make your trading smooth and efficient. Whether you prefer spot trading or diving into futures markets, the platform provides a secure and reliable environment to grow your portfolio. One of the biggest advantages of KCEX is its no KYC requirement. You can create an account and start trading immediately without having to submit personal documents. Of course, if you choose to complete identity verification later, you'll unlock extra benefits such as higher withdrawal limits and access to exclusive promotions. Getting started is quick and simple. Just register with your email or phone number. Here's a pro tip. Use the promo code MEXC or sign up through the link in the description to instantly qualify for up to $100 in rewards. After registering, head over to the Reward Center, where completing a few easy tasks will unlock your bonuses. Once your account is ready, you can deposit crypto or buy it directly with your credit card. For spot trading, select your preferred pair, choose the order type, and confirm your trade in seconds. If you're looking for bigger opportunities, KCEX also offers futures trading with leverage, a way to amplify potential profits. However, always remember that trading with leverage carries higher risks, so practice responsible trading. Don't miss out. Sign up today with promo code MEXC or use the referral link below to claim your $100 welcome bonus and start trading with KCEX, the exchange built for freedom, speed, and opportunity.